We had seen in the previous two videos that consuming light dinner consisting only vegetables or fruits early in the evening is the key to lose belly fat as quickly as possible. If you haven't watched those two videos, please click the links given below in the description to view them. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel Fitness Nagaraj, please do so and also click the bell icon to get immediate notification about my future videos. Today we are going to see how to make pumpkin soup. The required ingredients are 250 grams of pumpkin, 3 or 4 carrots, 1 or 2 bay leaves, 4 or 5 small onions and 4 or 5 garlic cloves. Wash them, cut them into small pieces and skin out onions and garlics. Of course, there is also a coconut in it. Yes, we are going to extract coconut milk out of this coconut. Take half a coconut, take out of its own shells and cut it, break it into small pieces, and finally cut it into small pieces so that it is easy to grind with a blender. Initially grind without water and then add little bit of water and grind. Now take out and start filtering it. You can extract the coconut milk by squeezing the extract. Now once again we can blend this same again by adding little more water and blend again. Again filter it and squeeze it well. Now you will get around 300 to 350 ml of coconut milk. Keep it separately. Now come to the pumpkin side. Transfer all the vegetables, initially pumpkin and then carrots. Next bay leaves, small onions and garlic cloves. Add about 200 ml of water and place it on a stove. Let it boil till 2 whistles are blown. Now let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then afterwards, slowly open the lid . Dispose the bay leaves and transfer the content into a wide container and let it cool down under the fan for about few minutes. Then transfer it to a wide jar of a blender. Save the water for future use. Now place the jar on a blender . And grind it for about 5 seconds. Now the pulp of all the ingredients are ready. Now again transfer it to a vessel to heat it up because we need a hot soup, right? And use the saved water to drain off the jar completely. Now place this content on a stove and let it get heated up for a few minutes. Once it is hot, now add the coconut milk 200 ml. Just and mix it. After adding the coconut milk, the content should not be heated. Just add it cold and then add little bit of salt and pepper. That's all. Now the soup is ready. You can enjoy it along with the side dish like vegetable salad, cucumber, beetroot or something like that. You can also have toppings like badam pista and little bit of coconut milk. And some curry leaves also can be sprinkled. If you want to make it as a smoothie, reduce the quantity of water and fry it little bit. That's it. You can also make use of this coconut extract that can be sprinkled over the vegetable fry like carrot, beans, potato, whatever you fry. Initially it may look that this type of soup is too light for dinner. No, it's not light. With the addition of coconut milk along with the fibrous vegetables, it is quite heavy. Within a couple of days, you will get accustomed to have a complete sense of satisfaction. Since it doesn't involve any oil, spice or grain, it is easy to digest at night well before you go to bed, and you are more likely to shed belly fat. You can also sleep comfortably without any belching, burping or bloating and wake up light in the next morning. We will see the recipe for one more soup in the next video. Thank you.